going to do. Oh my God, Bernie, he actually sticks his nails straight into my skin. Oh, it's so painful and all. His nails, I need to file his nails. I need to bring that filer down. Come, Benj! Benji! Incoming, Benji. Incoming, Benji.
You know I'm here now. I've arrived.
The horses are in.
Hello from Cyprus.
Cyprus. But it's nice and warm there.
Hello.
Is it nice and warm in Cyprus?
I need a holiday.
You always need a holiday.
Oh.
Will do. Hello.
Yeah, I do always need a holiday. You're right. Anyone else always need a holiday?
Jackie always wants a holiday. Jackie's a holiday person, isn't she?
She is holiday mad. Good boy. Hi from Netherlands.
This one's poorly today.
Tony's poorly apparently. Morning. What are you doing like that on the floor?
I said, this one, come here, man.
Thanks, Fiona. Quite chilly out here, isn't it? Are we alright to open? Are we alright to open?
Thank you as well, Jay.
Tell him to go and check that freezer. Okay. Yep, we're Wing and Wildlife Park.
This is not too bad. Can you crack the windows for us this morning? Yeah, we'll do. Cheers. It looks like all of our equipment's been mixed in with everybody else's. You'll have to do a bit of a fish round.
It wasn't very nice yesterday.
Hello, Sophie and Marta are going to...
Oh, everyone. He's on the radio this morning.
Who?
Everyone.
Hello, Faith.
No.
Are you alright bringing over the stepladder?
They're not. They're waiting for people to finish.
In the Cali corridor over to the mattress place. Thank you.
Hello, Jay, play area. No, all of these guys to the middle.
Hello.
Can you go and check that freezer in the shed? It's the bottom one. Look at the thermometer and tell me the temperature, please.
Yeah, will do.
So Benji there is about 6'7". The green wings and the military are about 2 to 3, and Rio's about 8 or 9.
3 to 4 maybe.
3 to 4.
You just mute it.
Thanks for the follows, guys. Help me, help me, help me.
I'm not to where you watch.
And I said, no, I'm not wearing my watch.